Hello, and welcome to Mini Orange. In this video, we are going to show you how to set application-specific runtime permissions. As an example, we are going to demonstrate Maps app permissions. This Maps permissions will be applied for application-specific, and we will check its behavior on the Maps app. So let's start. Go to our dashboard and click on Android tab, and then select Policies option. Click on Edit button of your policy. Click on Application option. Then click Play Store Apps button. Search for the Maps app, and click on it. Select the app. Now, scroll till the Map app. Click on the arrow. Click on Runtime Permissions. Here, you can see the list of runtime permissions of the apps. Now we will enable the location's runtime permission. Make the permissions as prompt. Click on Save. Now, in the device, you will see the Map app has been added successfully, and you will get prompt for the app. Now, we will set the app permission to deny. Edit your policy, go to Applications tab, and click on Runtime Permission of the app. Now, make the runtime permissions as deny, in front of the locations which we have selected. Click on Save. When you open the map in your device, you will see the app permission has been denied. Now, we will set the app permission to grant. Again, edit your policy, go to Applications tab, and click on Runtime Permission of the app. Now, make the runtime permissions as grant, in front of the locations which we have selected. Click on Save. Once you open the Map app, you will be able to access the locations. In this video, we have successfully demonstrated how to set application-specific runtime permissions. Please check out our another video for setting runtime permissions on Work Profile. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please reach out to us at mdmsupport@securify.com.